In today's episode, we'll be drawing Baymax.
I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of KDrawDraw. In today's episode, we'll be drawing Baymax from Big Hero 6. So to start off, we'll be drawing an oval shape for the head, followed by some shoulders. So Baymax has a pear-shaped body. And thank you, Siti Husniati, for requesting this particular drawing. So as I said earlier, his body looks like a pear-shaped. So it's just a series of curves. Kinda looks like an abdomen of an insect. This drawing might look deceptively simple, but always remember to get your proportions right. Okay, currently we are working on his arm. For this particular drawing, he's waving with his left arm. So currently I'm just joining up his arm and from his shoulders to his forearm area. Adding on some fingers. So I'm just gonna draw his thumb, and for the rest of his fingers I'm just gonna draw a rough sketch, and then I'm gonna divide them equally. That's how I normally draw fingers, so they are even. And then now I'm gonna refine them by drawing them slightly more detailed. Okay, drawing a line across his body. Adding on some of those patches where you see on his body, they are grey in color. Just a series of semicircles. I'll try my best to keep in mind to keep some of the proportions symmetrical. Working on his legs. Adding on some curves. Adding another patch at the side. Now the same on the left. Drawing a circle on the left part of his chest. Adding a line and then another line up, a line across, a line down, and then another line connecting to the right. Drawing his right arm. So before you draw everything in detail, always get the proportions right. Adding on his thumb. And now I'm gonna add on the rest of his fingers. Adding another patch on his right arm. Now I'm working on his face. So it's just a line across the center, and then you'll follow it up with 2 circles on each side. So that's it for the pencil face. Now we're gonna go over with a fine marker. Gonna erase all the unnecessary markings, adding some grays for the patches, outlining him with a sharpie, and then I'm gonna refine it with a thinner marker so it looks neater. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mr. K. Do like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. See ya.